How to use Blocklist filter in Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, simply scroll down and search for Followers and Public Content and click on Followers and Public Content. Here, scroll down, you'll find Blocklist filter. Click on it. Here, you can simply type in the word you want to add to your Blocklist filter. As you can see, there is limit of 1000 words. Simply type in the words and it will be added in your block filter list. This is how to use Blocklist filter in Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.